Welcome to OSR YouTube channel.
OSR Easy Learning. In this video, we will explain the way to find day on a given date. We will cover the concepts of leap year, days in a month, and then explain in detail the logic for calculating day for any given date. Our endeavor is to keep the video simple and interesting. Leap year concepts. This topic depends heavily on the concept of leap year. Therefore, before proceeding further, we strongly suggest you to please go through our video on leap year concepts. Link for that video is provided in the description below. Or you can go to our channel and search for that video. We keep posting new learning videos regularly, so please subscribe to our channel. Please like our channel and please don't forget to hit the bell icon for receiving notifications. Now, rules for a leap year. A normal or regular year has 365 days in an year. Feb of this year has 28 days. A leap year has one extra day or 366 days, and it comes every 4 years. One extra day is added to leap year in the month of February. So, Feb of leap year has 29 days. Every century year which is divisible by 400 only is a leap year. So 1700, 1800, 1900 are normal years, whereas 2000 is a leap year. Now questions for you. Is 1971 a leap year? Now based on the above information, dividing 1971 by 4, remainder is 3. So 1971 is not a leap year. Is 2020 a leap year? Again, dividing 2020 by 4, remainder is 0. So 2020 is a leap year. Is 1600 a leap year? Now 1600 is a century year and is divisible by 400. So 1600 is a leap year. Is 1500 a leap year? Now 1500 is a century year and is not divisible by 400. So 1500 is not a leap year. Is 1876 a leap year? Dividing 1876 by 4, remainder is 0. So 1876 is a leap year. Days and extra days. From our video on concepts of leap year, you would remember the picture alongside. It shows number of days in a month for a normal year. For a leap year, February will have 29 days. So all the knuckles will have 31 days and the gap between the knuckles will have 30 days, and for Feb it would be 28 or 29 days. Okay. A week has 7 days, so week repeats every 7 days. Therefore, if today is Monday, then next Monday will come after 7 days. This leads us to the concept of extra days after full week. This tells days left after full weeks. Extra days is the remainder of division of total days by 7. A normal year 365 days has 1 extra day. A leap year 366 days has 2 extra days. For every 400 years we will have 100 minus 36 will 97 leap years and 303 normal years. This will add to how many extra days? 497 extra days or 0 extra days. Remainder after basically division by 7. A normal century year like from 1700 to 1800 will have 24 leap years and 76 normal years. Remember that 1800 is not a leap year. So extra days in a normal century are 24 into 7 plus 24 into 2 plus 76 is equal to 5 extra days. The table alongside shows us extra days for each period that is of importance to us. Please remember this table well. Now, which day corresponds to each extra day? 01 January 0001 was Monday. This date corresponds to 1 extra day. So 1 means Monday, 2 means Tuesday, and so on. Look at the table alongside. Please remember data in figures on right side. We will use this data later. Calculating day for a given date. we would be referencing the data in figure on right hand side. Let us take a sample date like 25th March 1921 for demonstration. Step 1. Get extra days till last year. Full years completed till this date are 1920. As 1921 is still in progress, count extra days till 1920. 1922 is equal to 400 into 4 plus 100 into 3 plus 20. Each 400 years have 0 extra days. Each 100 years have 5 extra days. Last 20 years have 5 leap years, so 2 into 5 extra days, and 15 normal years means 15 extra days. So total extra days will come to how much? 40 extra days, which means 5 extra days. Now step 2, get extra days for this year. Count extra days till 25th March. Since 1921 isn't a leap year, extra days is equal to 3 for Jan, 0 for Feb and 25 for March, which comes to 28 or 0 extra days. Now step 3 is sum of all these things, which basically comes to 0 extra days. Now step 4 is look up day corresponding to this extra day to get the day. So 25th March 1921 was Friday. Now calculate day for 25th December 2004. Again we'll follow the same procedure, basically getting the extra day till last year. So in this case it will come to 3 extra days. Step 2 will be for this year. So counting extra days for this year, which is 25th December 2004, it will come to, so we are summing all the days, it comes to 3 extra days. So sum of above extra days is equal to 3 plus 3, which is 6 extra days. So 25th December 2004 was Saturday. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. We are a fast growing channel and we post new learning videos regularly. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our channel. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Your likes and subscribes give us an extra drive to keep going at a strong pace. Thank you.